Let's get this freaking oil change done. Man, I'm tired. People always say to make sure the windows are down and the trunk is cracked before you jack the car. I don't know if that's like a superstition or what the deal is, but something about the windows cracking or something like that. So I'm just gonna follow the superstition if that's what it is. I have no idea. Oh, you're shining today. Oh my God. Oh man, I feel so unorganized in here. I really hate these pillows, but if y'all didn't know, this whole thing had a cover on it that looked just like that. Terrible, had to go. I feel so unorganized. I have no idea what's going on. I need to undo these, I guess, because I'm gonna need these and that and my jack. See, I forgot that I needed to ride up on these blocks first. It's gonna be a long night. I forgot that carpet was under here. So the jacks were like lopsided and the car was like, so I had to take it off, move the car back, move the carpet back, and then do this all over again. So now we got the blocks under, we're gonna put the jacks under, and I just barely have room and I have to go at it from a slight angle. I could leave the garage open, but it's dark outside, so I don't know. We'll be okay. And this is like my first time like putting this car on jack stands that aren't quick jacks. I really want to get quick jacks. The ones that you just lay on the floor on both sides and then you press the little button and the hydraulics just immediately lift it up. I need to get that, but they're like $1,500. So I got all this other stuff that I need to do, but it would come in handy. So maybe I'll go on like Marketplace or something. I don't know. How in the hell do I lose a 15mm wrench? I have no idea, but we just got it replaced at like 6:30 in the morning. That's my life. Oh, bro, when I tell y'all somebody bolted that thing back on to like 1,000 pounds, I cannot get that thing off. So I need some professional help to get it cracked. So I'm gonna get it cracked and then bring it back home, and I should be able to just loosen it myself. But I could not get that thing off. For the life of me, I couldn't get it off. Man, I don't know who did my last oil change, but they bolted that thing back on and it's not coming off. So just imagine my surprise. It's 10, 11 o'clock at night. I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna go ahead and knock out this oil change real quick. Boom, you need a 15 mil. I'm like, all right, cool. I got plenty of wrenches right here. Surely one of these are a 15 mil. Wrong. Your 15 mil is gone. It disappeared. We have no idea where it is. Oh.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! I had to get a longer breaker bar. Hopefully this works. This goes out to, I think, 24 inches, I think. Yeah, 24. So hopefully this works. Car's already warm, so I should be able to break that damn thing. So let's try and do that now. All right, got the car on blocks. I'm gonna go ahead and break those lug nuts in case I need to take the tire off. I should have got one of these a long time ago. I don't know why I waited so long. This is crazy, bro. Obviously it's common sense, but like once you put it to practice, it's like, bro, I should have got one of these a long time ago. I need one that's like 4 feet long, to be honest. Give me one of those. Make one of those, I will buy it. Okay, the car might be a little too hot right now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and jack it up. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get under there because it is actually scorching hot, but I'll just wait a little bit. I don't know. This is dead ass, like my 4th time jacking this car up. You'd think an oil change would be easy. I've done them plenty of times, just not on this car yet. And everything always goes wrong. So that's just part of the game, I guess. Whoever bolted that back on did that shit way too tight, bro. Like, a little bit of force, you should be able to break that thing, but you literally cannot break it by hand. Like, I have to go find somebody to do it for me. I already have everything I need, so so now I have to put this all back together again, leave the house again. Man, this is like frustrating.